Hey guys, and welcome back. So today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this portable adjustable mole remover pen. This helps to remove all those freckles, moles, and tattoos that you may have on your body. Alright, so this is the mole remover pen. This has 12 different levels. So before, if you have any moles, you have any freckles, any tattoos, any skin tags, this will help remove it. So on the side of the box it says freckles to remove. In addition to thorn tattoos, in addition to children, you got warts, needle for convenient and practical. So let's go ahead and dive into the box. Alright, so first off in the box, you can see that we have the USB charger, we have a couple needles, and the pen itself. So this is the standard Android. It is not a Type-C, so it is the old Android type charging. So you get the charger with it. You get a couple needles included. So these are the tip needles. And then we'll just take this off and put it to the side. On the bottom you have extra needles, a user manual. So here's a pack of extra needles. You get 2 other packs besides this one. And below here is the user manual. So here are the other 2 packs of needles. So they do supply you with enough needles to use this pen to remove all your moles. So you have 3 little packs right here. Here is the user manual. This will tell you how to use this device. It'll tell you how to set it up. So in the instructions manual, it does tell you the basic information, the on and off functions. So basically when you turn this on, it says after rubbing the needle with alcohol, you'd install it. Press the power button for 3 seconds to turn it on. Short press power to choose the level, which you have 1 to 12 levels. Then press the power twice to turn on the white or purple lamp. Press out, start to work. Release the out, stop working. Use a general circulation motion or sweep back and forth on the mode. It's tighten the skin during facial operations. Apply daily repair cream until the scabs fall off naturally. Turn off the pen after every use. So this helps remove mole, fatty grains, freckles, age spots, verruca, tattoos, spots, black spots. So this is where you'll put the charger port. This is where you'll put the needle in here. And these actually have 2 different lights. You have a white light and you also have a purple light. So removing small moles, small spots, fines, fat particles, you would use modes 1 through 4. Remove moles, spots, and plaques, you will want to use between 5 and 8. So now if you have used spot removal, large spots and plaques, so if you have bigger moles, you'll want to use between modes 9 through 12. So this is the power button. So right now it is on mode 0. So if you want to change the modes, you will just push the power button. So this top button here where my thumb is at, that is actually where you'll start using it. So the power button, if you just keep pushing the button, it will change between different modes. So the great thing about this, it does have 12 level adjustments. The chip is updated. It has a long life of the battery, LED display, USB charging, double lamp design. So you can choose between the purple light and the red light or the white light. So here it says to use level 2. You just turn it on. You'll point it to your mole. And then you can either do the dots or you can do the back and forth motion. I did the back and forth motion. So we're just gonna turn the power level. So here is the purple light. So we're just going to insert our needle. So we're just going to pick a mole. We'll just do this one right here on my hand. So this top button right here I'm holding, this is what's going to make it work. And it does have a little burning sensation, so you might want to get some topical cream. I have a really high pain tolerance, so I didn't need anything. So you just move it back and forth, basically removing the mole itself. So what it does is it burns into your skin to remove that mole, and then it takes about a week or 2 weeks for the skin to grow back, and therefore there will be no more moles. Make sure you get right in there. So if it's a small mode, you might want to use, like I said, between mode 4 and 5 or 4 to 6. And the bigger ones you want to definitely use between 9 and 12. So like I said, something like this I would use between 1 and 4 mode. A little bit bigger, darker moles I would want to use between 5 and 8. So just move back and forth. It's like a little laser, so you can actually smell the skin burning if you sit there long enough. So this is what the pen looks like. It is nice. It's a great thing to have, a nice little portable one, so you can take it with you. It does have a super long battery life. You get extra needles. So if you're looking to remove some of those skin tags, moles, some freckles, this is a great device to have. I would definitely recommend this. I did actually a lot of moles that I've removed. It does take some time for it to heal, but once you see that it's completely healed back, the skin, you'll see that those moles and freckles and part of tattoos will be done and removed.